Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set emoji on a photo in WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you guys how we can set emoji on a photo for WhatsApp story, or we want to set emoji on a photo we want to send to our friend on WhatsApp. And the first one, I'm going to show you how you can set emoji on photo for WhatsApp story. So I'm going to go to the updates and I'm going to create an a WhatsApp story. Okay, I'm just going to pick a random photo from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to choose this photo and I'm going to set an emoji. So we can click on the sticker icon and then we can choose an emoji we want to add to our photo. You can click on the emoji and I'm just going to choose this emoji. Then you can place the emoji on any part that you want. I'm going to use it to cover the face like this, and you can zoom in or zoom out. And if you want to delete the emoji, you just need to do the trash symbol, and now the emoji has been removed. But I'm going to add the emoji again. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you how we can set emoji on a photo when we send photo to our friend. Wait, I'm going to open up this chat. Okay, I'm going to send photo with emoji to this one. I'm going to choose the attachment symbol and I'm going to send a photo from my gallery. Okay, again, I'm going to pick random photo. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, and then you can click on edit and then click on the sticker icon and choose the emoji that you want. I'm going to choose this emoji. Okay, then we can place this emoji on any part of our photo, zoom in or zoom out. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to set emoji on a photo in WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Hope this video helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.